Welcome. In this demo, we will look at AIOps summary insights. So, we will navigate to Security Cloud Control, and within Security Cloud Control, we are looking at AIOps summary dashboard. This dashboard gives you a bird's eye view of all your insights that are being observed on your firewall deployments. For ease of operations, for ease of understanding, these insights are broadly classified into different categories. For example, one of the category is health and operations. Under health and operations, you get insights into device health aspects. For example, you can look at CPU usage, memory usage spikes, anything that is hampering device operational health of the device. Let's pick one of these as alerts to dig a bit more deeper. So I'm going to pick the high snort memory usage alert. And when I click on it, I get a detailed view into what this insight was about. This is a critical insight, so it impacts my uh, snort engine's operations. You can see the memory usage reached 87%. If I scroll a little down, I get a view into probable reasons why this could have happened. And this is where the AI engine is correlating this alert with multiple other observations to come to a conclusion. In this particular case, maybe this high memory usage was a result of a surge in traffic or higher number of connections going through the device. There is also a time series graph of how memory has been incrementing and how suddenly at a certain point in time there was a sudden spike, which is abnormal in nature. There's also a set of related metrics that have been plotted for me to review. So, number of connections going through the device, number of packets going through the device, and then it's not too difficult for me to, at this point, correlate the three data points and understand what could have potentially caused the memory spike. There's also some additional description on what could be done to remediate this kind of memory usage spike. Let's go back to the summary dashboard and let's pick another alert from a different category, traffic and capacity. So we have a bunch of different alerts or insights that are being shown for the traffic that is passing through the devices. And one such alert is high traffic caused by the elephant flow. If I click on the alert, this is basically telling me, this observation is telling me that there have been nine flows have been identified. The identifiers which are basically elephant flows are nothing but the flows that that take up disproportionate amount of bandwidth and resources of a particular device, and ultimately results in a degraded performance for the other network connections. If we scroll down, we can see the trend again, based on throughput and time series, how different types of elephant flows have been observed and how much bandwidth or how much throughput impact are they having over a certain series of time. If I scroll further down, I get a deeper view into what those specific flows are and what applications they are tied to. In this case, things like BitTorrent, Crash Plan. So some backups being uploaded for a very long duration, a large amount of data passing through the network. So it also gives me the exact source IP, exact destination IP, which is involved in this particular exchange. And at the same time, it gives me some view into the CPU and throughput consumed by these flows. Then, as expected, some uh, remediation guidance as well, by way of either bypassing inspection for these specific elephant flows, or um, performing a horizontal scaling, or exploring horizontal scaling options to distribute the load. Perfect. Um, that basically summarizes our summary alerts, which is health alerts and traffic alerts. Thank you for watching the video.